Good morning, everyone from North Mississippi. We have about 6 inches of snow right now. I think so, according to the four-wheeler. But we're out of power. Hopefully it comes back on soon because it is getting cold. Did venture out, make a trip to the store. Help stay a little bit warm for a minute. But we are currently forecasted to get another 3 to 4 inches of snow, maybe some ice and sleet. So it's going to be making work wonderful in the morning, trying to get there. It's a good packed snow too. You can see the trees are leaning limbs. But just thought I would give y'all a little update. You can see where Belle's been out walking in the snow this morning. She is still feeling a little better, thank goodness. But hopefully this will be gone soon. I would love to see the sunshine come out and melt it all away because I am so not a winter person. But I thank y'all for watching my video.